Back to the motherland we go to help out this Hot Point Hallmark stovetop oven combo manufactured circa 1974. None, and I mean none, of the grease filters have been cleaned or replaced, possibly ever. So that's what we'll focus on today. Retract the left side flexible latch to remove the upper grease filter. Ugh, it's sticky to the touch and completely clogged. Using the thumb track, remove the lower twin filters. To clean these up, we'll use a 1/3 cup of vinegar, baking soda, and salt. If you're looking online, these twin filters are readily available, but unfortunately I could not find any replacement filters for the upper one. Start by boiling a vat of water. Use a disposable container to simplify cleanup. Make sure not to overfill, as the ingredients will foam and rise. Drizzle vinegar over the filter grating. For deeper cleaning, add additional baking soda. Hey there, it's coming off. This process really only takes about 5 minutes, but take your time. When satisfied, rinse the filters off with clean water and Dawn dish soap. Even though we have replacements, let's utilize the bath to clean the twin filters.
The arteries, I mean.
Wow. Wow. A few short minutes later, and everything is stunningly clean. Star of the show. Girl. Emmo has some Norwex cleaning paste, which we'll use to shine the upper cabin cover.
Ooh, that really smells good too. Oh, that's working like a miracle here. Whisking away that grease. Everybody will want to do it. It works so slick.
Before reinstalling, make sure filters are completely dry. To expedite the process, feel free to use a hairdryer. Now the purpose of these filters is to prevent grease from reaching the fans, which could eventually start a fire. So if your filters are this bad, it may be in your interest to clean the fans as well. If you're interested in how to clean them, let us know and perhaps we'll post a video together for you. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Show your support by liking and subscribing, and maybe we'll catch you again.